Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we're going to unbox month 2 of Interlacements. So, just to recap, last month we got an Easter bag and, 8-ounce ball of their rickrack yarn, a 100-gram ball of their sock yarn, a vest pattern, and a bracelet kit. Total value was $61. That was a 61% savings, which was just like mind-blowing. But like I said, I think a lot of those things were because it was Easter and it was my first month subscribing to them. And those are extras that are kind of tied in with the first box thing. So this month, we only got 2 items in the box. We got a lemon reed diffuser. Which, so for me, this is a perfect add-on because I love citrus. But anything scented is kind of chancy. I know a lot of people that have sinus issues and stuff like that, like this probably wouldn't work for as well. But it also kind of explains the hippy dippy scent to the first box, because this is very clean lemon scent, but it's that zesty, like lemon pith kind of smell to it. There's almost like the side bitter note. Oh, the sky is so black and it is pouring down rain. And that's through the closed bottle, but so this I will actually be putting upstairs in the living room. Or actually, I'll probably put it somewhere Pippin can't get it on the kitchen counter somewhere. But I really like lemon. I am pro lemon. Oh, I could put it in the bedroom maybe. If I put it up on Troy's dresser, Pippin never gets up there. That'd be a good place to put it. Anyway. So there was that. And then this month's yarn is Fireplace Embers Pastel. How pretty is that? This month we did not get a pattern. I have an idea of something I might do with the yarn. I have not emailed her just to make sure. I never heard back from her email actually where she I told her, to keep things as general as possible, like, because I am reviewing this. But I love these colors, and y'all know orange is not my favorite color, but paired with other things, I like orange. I don't like it on its own as much. But with this rusty taupe color and this more corally peach pink color, I think it's beautiful. So I do have something potentially in mind for this. I need to double check if this is going to be enough or if I'm going to have to pair it with something else. But so this month the yarn is $22 in value, or like I said, I've been trying to price anything that is an LYS yarn based on what I would buy it for at an LYS. And this runs $22, which was hilarious because that's actually what she has it priced at on her website. And the diffusers of this size range from $12 to $20. So I actually, she has a price tag on this one of $14.50. So I left it at $15. But this is the small size. This isn't, the liquid in there is filled up to here. Soothing and revitalizing, open cap, insert, essential oil blend, flip, reeds, Sunleaf Naturals, made in Minnesota. No other information on here. But, Yeah, pure essential oil reed diffuser. So, I mean, this is actually a fairly decent size. It is fairly well full. So I think $15 is a very, very fair price for it. So that made the total value of this box $37. Total saving of 35%. It is $24 a month before tax and shipping. I mean, let's see, that was 70. I don't know if you're gonna hear that, but that is so loud. So that's like $72 for the 3 months. And our total value so far has been $98. I mean, $24 versus $61. We knew we were going to hit our break-even point on value fairly quickly with this box. Just based on box 1 being very overwhelming. But I can't say I'm unhappy for $24 with the yarn I got plus my little extra. And I'm weird with the extras. I don't feel like the extras have to be knitting and crochet related. Yeah, I've hit on this with a couple of different things, like the extras that Christy Cook includes with her mini maker bag kits or maker bag subscription thing. We've got some non-crafty extras in another subscription box I reviewed. I'm okay with that. After you've been knitting and crocheting for a while, part of what I'm judging is, is it worth it for intermediate and advanced knitters as well? Generally, you have stitch markers, you have hooks, you have needles, you have tapestry needles, you have project pouches, you have notion pouches. So it is nice to get something that isn't necessarily knitting and crochet related in your extras. I do think this was a little bit of a risk if I didn't like lemon, if the scents do bother me, but natural scents not as much. Like perfumed rose will give me a migraine in a heartbeat. Rose oil or fragrant natural roses, I can wear those all day, every day. There are very few perfume scents that use perfume bases that I can be around for extended periods. But even though this is very strongly smelling, it's a natural scent. I'll be fine with this. So that home scent was a little bit of a risk. It worked out for me. Primary thing I'm purchasing is the yarn. Absolutely love it. I think it's beautiful. So on camera, this isn't quite showing up as, I mean, it's beautiful. Don't get me wrong. It's showing up beautiful on camera, but this color is even prettier, and the transition from the light to the medium tone there is even prettier in person. And because I'm seeing it at a distance when I see it on the camera, so I'm seeing it from a different angle than I'm used to seeing it. I'm loving that peachy taupe up against the peachy pink. So yeah, I have not started the vest. I've been slowly working on the Mountain Meadow wool. So hopefully we will get there soon with it. Everything is balled and sitting upstairs, so it is ready to go. I just have not started it yet. I'm done. I'm just going to leave it like this. Actually, that would be kind of cool. It's almost the end of the month, though. The Scrappy challenge with Christy and Christy this month was jewelry. And this would have made really pretty jewelry. But then once again, I'd probably end up having to give it to my mom because corals and stuff like that are her colors. It's not a problem, but those are her colors. I have to keep that in mind for leftovers. But yeah, I'm going to stop babbling. I am going to go eat me some lunch finally. And I'm going to go check the radar and make sure that this isn't going to last forever, because that's pretty bad. Anyway, you guys take care. I will see you guys real soon. I love you guys.